Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to cook frozen pizza rolls in the air fryer. These go great as a quick and easy snack or appetizer, and they only take about 6 minutes of air fryer cook time. You're going to need some frozen pizza rolls. Start by preheating your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 6 minutes. Next, you're going to add the pizza rolls to the air fryer in a single layer. And then cook them for 6 minutes. And just be sure to shake them halfway through. Once the pizza rolls are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer. Let them cool down, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.